Hi guys! First, I would like to introduce myself. I am Kyle Antonio B. De La Cruz from University of Cebu, and I would like to tackle about my short learnings about marine environment. We would like to know what is marine environment. So, marine environment are those in the world's seas and oceans below main high tide mark. Marine environments relate to morphology of nearshore, offshore, and deep water zones of the ocean. And as we all know, marine environment is covered of oceans, 71% of the Earth's surface, and provide us with food, oxygen, and jobs. But they are probably the least understood, most biologically diverse, and most underrated of all ecosystems. From deep oceans to the coastal reefs, from mud flats to seagrass beds, ocean and marine systems provide us with essential services like carbon capture for climate mitigation, renewable energy, and protection from the storm surges. To name but a few, as the global population grows, we are probably deeper and further into the ocean for fish oil, gas, minerals, and new genetic resources. In an attempt to keep pace with increasing consumptions, this is damaging the oceans that sustains us. Marine environment can also harm mankind and animals, like pollutions does not only affect marine life and their environment, it also affects mankind, us. If humans are exposed to these toxic chemicals for long periods of time, then this can result in dangerous health problems, which include hormonal issues, reproductive issues, and damage to our nervous system and kidneys. It can also affect the animals. Ocean population comes in many forms, but the largest factor affecting the ocean is plastic. Plastic kills fish, birds, marine mammals, and sea turtles, destroys habitats, and affects animals' mating rituals, which can have devastating consequences and can wipe out entire species. Marine environment has also effects on maritime industry, like shipping companies and ports operated with limited environmental oversight, but accident in oil spill in 1960s caused widespread coastal pollution in seabird mortality, triggering the International Convention for Prevention of Pollution from Ships, or what we call MARPOL. MARPOL is the main international convention to prevent marine pollution by ships from operational or accidental cause. Additionally, the International Marine Organization, or IMO, uses various instruments to protect the maritime environment from shipping activities. Nevertheless, maritime transportation still generates negative impacts in the marine environment, including air pollution, greenhouse gas emissions, release of ballast water containing aquatic invasive species, historically used for antifouling oil and chemical spills, dry bulk cargo release, garbage, underwater noise pollution, ship strikes on marine megafauna, risks of ship grounding or sinkings, and widespread sediments contamination of ports during transshipment or shipbreaking activities. This chapter summarizes the environmental effects of maritime transportation and describes the mitigative, legislative, and environmental performance measures currently available to improve management of these global issues. And lastly, we will tackle about MARPOL Convention. So, what is MARPOL Convention? MARPOL Convention is an international convention for prevention of pollution from ships. It is the main international convention covering prevention of pollution of the maritime environment by ships from operational or accidental causes. So, that will be the meaning of MARPOL Convention. And history about MARPOL Convention was adopted on November 2, 1973 at IMO. The Protocol of 1978 was adopted in response to spate of tank accidents in 1976 to 1977. As the 1973 MARPOL Convention had not yet entered into force, the 1978 MARPOL Protocol absorbed the parent convention. The combined instrument entered the force in October 2, 1983. In 1997, protocol was adopted to amend the convention, and a new Annex 6 was added, which entered into force in 19 May 2005. MARPOL has been updated by amendments through the years. The convention includes regulations aimed to prevent and minimizing pollution from ships, both accidental pollution and that from routine operation, and currently includes 6 technical annexes. Special areas with strict controls and operational discharge are included in the most annexes. So there are 6 annexes. First annex is a regulation of prevention of pollution by oil, entered into force October 2, 1983. Annex 2, regulation for the control of pollution by noxious liquid substances in bulk, entered in force October 2, 1983. And Annex 3, prevention of pollution by harmful substances carried by sea in package form, entered in July 1, 1992. And Annex 4, prevention of pollution by sewage from ships, entered into forces September 27, 2003. Next is Annex 5, prevention of pollution by garbage from ships, entered into force from December 31, 1988. And lastly, Annex 6, prevention of air pollution from ships, entered in force May 19, 2005. So guys, that will be our last topic for today, and I hope you understand and had fun watching my videos and knowing about marine environment and the MARPOL Convention. See you soon. God bless and thank you.